Well, you know, one of the things I really love about hosting this show is that I get to bring you information that can help you live a healthy life or feel more beautiful, or maybe even change your life. Today is no exception as we continue our Women in Business show. I want you to meet Carol Ann Tutera of Tutera Medical and SottoPelle Therapy. And Carol Ann, it's always good to see you.
Thank you.
I want you to tell our viewers at home how your husband, Dr. Tutera, revolutionized the hormone replacement therapy industry.
We were in Rancho Mirage, California, and someone had asked him to put in a pellet, but he didn't know what a pellet was. So he started working with the hormone therapy with a pellet and realized at the time everyone was getting the same dose. Well, we're not all the same size, we're not all the same people, so he revolutionized HRT with individualized dosing,
which has changed the industry across the board. And sadly, he passed away.
Correct.
A couple of years ago, and I had the chance to work with him on the show. A lovely, delightful man. I'm so sorry to hear. But you have decided to continue the crusade. Why is that important to you?
It's important to me because I went through the same symptoms that a majority of the other people do. And I wanted to carry on and have a legacy of what we do and help as many people as we can. We've always been about helping men and women and wanting them to age gracefully, and the results that we see in patients are fantastic.
I think a lot of viewers, because we do talk about hormone replacement a lot, but maybe don't really fully understand the importance of having hormones to begin with, because we begin to lose them as we age.
We do, and now we're losing them earlier and earlier, and I tell everyone to get a baseline. It's like driving a car. If you want to drive your car from point A to point B, you need gas, and that's how we are as we age. If we want to age gracefully, we need to have the hormones in our body that help us go throughout our days.
Right, because if not, what happens?
Well,
well, you don't want to know.
No, it's not pretty.
It's not pretty, but you practice what you preach, and the fact that you've continued on with your husband's legacy. You know, for a lot of women, that would be really hard. You worked together, you're married for decades, you lose him. A lot of women would go, well, that's the end of that, but not you. Why?
No, I have a mission, as he did, to keep continuing and keep succeeding and keep making the world of hormones a better place to live in. And we built such a good company name. We've got such a great reputation. We keep earning accolades, and it was important to me that what he developed and what he came with and the science he puts behind everything, to keep continuing with it.
I appreciate that. You know, we've been asking women all morning for a bit of advice, and you're in a different situation, maybe some other women in the same situation. You have a business partner as a husband, or vice versa, lose one of them. What would be your best piece of advice to carry on that business and or tradition?
Surround yourself with good people who are there when you are going down, because you will have those days when you don't feel your best self and you need the support of people to help bring you back up. A team is really important, and I've got an incredible family team with Tutera Medical.
Family team. I like that. I like that a lot. Carol Ann, always good to see you. And
thank you.
Thank you for sharing the information and great advice as well. And perhaps you want more information on hormone replacement therapy. Well, Tutera Medical and SottoPelle Therapy, they have several locations for you to choose from. They have Scottsdale, Chandler, Glendale, and Paradise Valley. The tradition continues. 480-874-1515. Learn more at tuteramedical.com.